Still clicking through menus to lock your PC or find a file? Today, your keyboard is your greatest productivity tool. Let's master some essentials. Each of the following shortcuts utilize a combination of the Windows key at the bottom of your keyboard and another key. Let's get started. Windows plus L instantly locks your PC when you step away from your desk. Windows plus D immediately hides all open windows to show your desktop. Windows plus E opens your File Explorer for quick navigation. Windows plus V opens your clipboard history. If you copied something 10 minutes ago, it's still here. Windows plus any of your arrow keys snaps your current window to the left, right, or corner to organize your screen in seconds. Windows plus Tab opens Task View to see every open app and window at a glance. Here's a bonus shortcut. Control-Shift-Escape instantly opens Task Manager if any application freezes or isn't working correctly. From here, right-click on the affected app and select End Task. Try these shortcuts out today and start implementing them to your day-to-day workflow. We promise it will save you a lot of time in the long run. Well, stay tuned for more tech tips, and thank you for watching.